Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can save GIMP files as JPG. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in GIMP. So the first thing that we're gonna do guys is add an image. So go to the top left corner and click on file. Once you do that, go ahead and click on open, or you can also click on Ctrl plus O on your keyboard. Once you click on open, then you can search for any image that you want to add and then click on open. Once you do that, as you can see guys, the image will be added. So now we're gonna make a small modification to the image and then export it. So for example, I'm gonna add a text and I'm gonna type JPG image. So once we've made our modifications, we need to go to File, click on it, and then search for Export As. Or you can also click on Shift plus Control plus E on your keyboard. Once you click on it, you need to choose where you want to export the file, and then go to Select File Type by extension. Go ahead and click on this little plus icon, and then as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the types of extensions. So you're gonna find the PIX, FLE, FLC, XCF, CH, XHTML, DDS, DCM. So we're gonna search for JPG, and as you can see guys, I found this right here. So go ahead and click on it, and then choose the location. So for example, we're gonna export it in download and then click on export. As you can see guys, I already have a file named the same name, so I'm gonna change the name really quick and then click export. And as you can see guys, right now you need to uh, choose the settings that suits you and click on export. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.